Hey everyone, in today's YouTube video, I want to show you something I implemented about a year or two back that doubled my subscriber growth. It's kind of a combination of three different things that I implemented. And I want to show you all three in a row, exactly how to do it. Pretty straightforward, but most people skip this and it really holds them back from growing their subscribers. Now, when I did this, it grew me from about 3,000 subscribers to almost 6,000 subscribers per month. And now I'm a little over 12,000 subscribers per month. So it does work over time as well. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a method to get more views, because typically when you get more views, you get more subscribers. But these little three things that I'm going to show you actually help you convert more viewers into subscribers. Because ultimately the more views does equal more subscribers, but your subscriber to view ratio does improve with what I'm going to show you right now. And typically I do a little bit of math. So I take the number of views I had for the last 30 days, and then I divided by how many subscribers I had in the last 30 days to try to get a good ratio and see where other channels are. So I do this math with other channels, and some channels do better than me because they're more focused. So staying focused does help with that, but I want to show you practical things. Let me show you one thing right here. Let me click on just this video. Hey everyone, in today's video. So here is one thing that really helps. If you go to any of my videos, around the 5-second mark of the video, this little subscribe icon shows up, and then you could subscribe from here with this subscribe icon. Now, this plays through my entire video, and as soon as I implemented this with a couple other things I'll show you, this really increased my subscriber growth. Now, this by itself did not do that much, but a combination of a couple other factors I'll show you did. And to change that, just go to YouTube Creator Studio, press customization, and come to branding right on top here. And you'll see this option right here that says watermark. And I chose to start mine at the 5-second mark, but you can play this for the whole video and it will just appear just like I showed you on that video. Now, I created this in Photoshop, but in my YouTube course, I'm giving it to my students. So a lot of the things that I use for my channel, I made it available to my students. If you want to be part of that course when it's released, make sure you click the link below in the description and put your name there so you could get a big discount on launch day. So do that first, add the watermark, create it in Photoshop, or buy some kind of a template that gives you that. Then what I want you to do is I want you to change the intro of your videos. And this I learned from Nick Nimmin way back in the day, like 3-4 years ago when I was first starting on YouTube. And he does this really, really well. So this is kind of how you structure any video. The first thing you say is whatever the value of your video is going to be. So in this case, how to double your subscribers on YouTube. I'm going to tell you that in the very first sentence, right? If you're Mr. Beast, you're going to say, I'm going to buy this island and move my friends into it, right? Whatever your video is, you say that. But the second thing you say is, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you click the subscribe button so you never miss the next video, something along those lines. Or if you want to see content around growing a YouTube channel or easy to follow how-to videos, make sure you subscribe. Something that is very specific to your channel. Now, with a combination of saying that and having that subscribe watermark, it really did increase significantly how many people were willing to take action. Now, most people do this at the end of their video. The watermark shows up at the end of the video. Now, when I tested those against each other, it was a significant difference. If you say it in the beginning, not many people will leave. People are always worried that people will click off if you say that, but they do not. And it significantly increases the viewer to subscriber ratio. That's what you want here. And this is the other thing I did. Let me show you here in the description of this video. I added this little text that I put in all of my videos. It looks like this. To see more simple and easy to follow how-to videos, subscribe. And what's great about this subscribe icon, let me click it to show you what happens. It looks like this. If someone clicks it, it looks like this. Okay, it doesn't just take you to my page where you got to press subscribe. It gives you a very clear call to action if someone clicks it. Now, people don't randomly click that. The way I get people to click it is I usually have resources in the description of my videos. So let me show you. I have a ton of descriptions, right? Just links to other platforms that I'm talking about here. So when I tell people in the video to check out the description for more resources, this may grab their eyes. So now this alone doesn't do all that much, but it's kind of a combination of different things. Call to action for subscription, the watermark, and this option. And let me copy this to show you what this link should say. So it looks something like this. It's youtube.com/c, that's for channel, / your channel name. But then this is kind of the magic of it right here. !sub_ confirmation equals 1. That makes the pop-up appear. If you just add this part, that pop-up does not appear. This is really, really useful. And what you could do with this, you could add this to other social media platforms. You could add this as the first comment of your videos. You could basically pin a comment, like I always pin a comment on top, and that gets the most eyeballs on it when the video kind of takes off in views. So you could add it as a comment. Subscribe to my channel and add this kind of link. And the last thing I do to get more views is I use this thing called TubeBuddy, and it has this thing called Keyword Explorer. What I do is I come to this box and I type in whatever my video is gonna be. So YouTube growth, let's say. And then what I do is I come over here and I basically take related tags and I add this to my video's tags. I always get it from here before I make my video. I make sure I'm on YouTube. And TubeBuddy gave me a link to a free trial, but I use their paid version actually. So if you want to sign up, it's totally free. The paid version just gives you a ton more tags when you upload a video. So this is how I get more views. And then those views I try to convert to subscribers using some of those methods. And those are just a few. My course on YouTube is over 10 hours of stuff like this, where it's very tactical on using lots of different tools and techniques to grow your YouTube subscribers and growth and use YouTube for your business. So all that is linked in the description below. So just to recap, basically go ahead and add a watermark. Change the intro of your video with a very clear call to action why people should subscribe to you. People really need to know what the value of your channel is ahead of time and not at the end like most people do. Then go ahead and add the subscription text that I showed you in the comment section or in the description section. And then get TubeBuddy if you don't already and use the Keyword Explorer to make sure you get related keywords. And every time you go ahead and post a video, use that in the tag section of that video. And one last thing, always use your channel's name in the tag section. I've learned that if you do that, it kind of connects all your videos at least with one anchor tag. So I use the Howfinity tag on top of all the ones I research in every single video. You'll see it in every single video in the tag section when I upload the video. So I hope you found some value in this video. Again, all the resources are in the description, and I love to have you as one of the first students in the course that is going to be launched in a few weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.